Welcome to our Dolomite Beach vlog part 2. So tanghaling tapat, nandito kami ngayon sa Dolomite Beach at walang masyadong tao. I think this is the fourth time we come here, right?
Fourth time?
Fourth time, yeah. Ay, me. Not you.
Okay.
Because before that, with Sister Jane, we come here before.
I think for me it's the
third time.
Yeah. A lot of vendors here.
A lot of vendors here. So if you are thirsty, they have water. May mga manik, nilagang manik. Mga soft drinks. Ice cream meron din. You know. Ayan, may kalesa. How we call that kalesa here in Philippines.
Mama, kalesa rai. Intramuros.
Mamaya pa ang pambansang sasakyan. Pambansang sasakyan sa Pilipinas.
That was exit only there and then
yeah, ang entrance dito. So this is the entrance. Walang bayad. Free. It's free to come inside. Okay.
Saan galing si Sir?
Ha? Mandaluyong.
Yung lugar niya.
Finland.
Pagkain.
Not allowed.
Hindi ko niya.
Okay.
Okay, magkakain.
Oh.
Good mo.
Bawal yung pagkain. Foods and drinks not allowed here. May gulay. Wow! It looks very clean. Mukhang kalilinis lang nila. Welcome to Dolomite Beach.
we cannot drink our coffee.
Sobrang mainit. Tanghaling tapat. It's already more than 12 noon.
Wow, this is great time to come here. Not so many people.
Yeah, I know that you like to be
Always.
here. Like,
Earlier when we come here, a lot of people.
I know that you like to be here under the sun.
Yes.
So, ayan. Sobrang malinis dito.
Sayang, bawal ang mag-swimming.
Of course, not allowed to swim here.
That's what
This
I
is
would love to do.
only for sightseeing. What is that bird?
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they build can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, go beyond. Push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. New horizons waiting for us. forget where I came from. I'll use my past to build my future. Keep moving forwards, go beyond what they thought possible. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No one they build can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust and go beyond.
Cleaning time. So, ayan, naglilinis sila. Tinatanggal nila yung mga basura sa gilid ng dagat. Great job. Good job. Big thumbs up. Sobrang maliwanag. Let's check kung ano yung nasa bato. Let's check what is this. Ah, okay. Oh, this was constructed during the administration of President Rodrigo Rua Duterte as a part of Manila Bay Rehabilitation Program. 500-meter by 60-meter structure built with Gale Engineering interventions. Okay. So, nandun yung entrance, malapit sa public restrooms, at nandun naman yung exit sa kabila. So, lalabas na kami. We're going out from here. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you my next vlog.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.